India has more than 300 million young people aged 10 to 24, with the potential to transform the country and the world at large. But young people continue to be excluded from information, opportunities, and decision-making spaces. That's why Yuva created YPAD, a Young People's Action Team. Yuva, or Generation Unlimited India, is a multi-stakeholder platform that aims to accelerate young people's learning, skilling, leadership, employment, and entrepreneurial pathways. We are committed to meaningfully including young people across all levels of governance and decision-making. Yuva's Young People's Action Team, or YPAD, comprises 41 highly motivated young people aged 10 to 24. They shape our priorities to address young people's access to resources, education, employment, skill development, and social justice. Each YPAD member embodies courage, empathy, and grit. Our YPAD enjoys diversity across gender, ability, citizenship, and socio-economic backgrounds, ensuring that the voices and needs of the most marginalized are represented. To advance their leadership capabilities, Yuva connected the YPAD to external experts, tools, resources, and mentors. We tried to make Yuva a safe and affirming space for YPADs and created a grievance redressal mechanism for them.
In return, YPAD members were asked to uphold the values of tolerance, partnership, mutual respect, promote inclusivity and diversity.
Yuva also connected us to national and global state-speaking opportunities.
In just 1 year, YPAD reached 3.6 million plus young people,
advocating for gender equality, mental health, climate change, equity in EdTech, and youth-led COVID-19 action.
YPAD steered Yuva in engaging the most marginalized young people and incentivizing their civic engagement.
We ensured the relevance of Yuva's tools across diverse constituencies.
We also took the learning from Yuva back to our community and led 18 projects on gender, 21st century skill development, disability rights, the constitution, and climate change.
For the last 1 year, the Young People's Action Team has been our conscious keeper, consistently holding us accountable to our core values of equity and youth-centered programming. With YPAD guiding as leaders within Yuva, we are looking forward to collaborating with them and their networks more extensively. We are confident that Yuva will contribute much more effectively to India and the world's progress with YPAD by our side. We encourage more and more organizations such as government, private sector, civil society organizations, and UN agencies to integrate and engage with young people by investing in them and giving them a seat at the decision-making table. This way, you not only make sure that your solutions are relevant to the young people, but you can also support them to become ambassadors of social change and innovations, as well as drivers of economic development. The time to support and nurture young India is now. The need is urgent, and the stakes could not be higher. Our collective future depends on it.